Okay, then just moving into the property where we have the porch opening through to a really good size hallway here, which has access to the garage and then stairs going up to the first floor. And then moving on to the first floor, we've got this excellent size living space and also the kitchen through here, which has integrated fridge freezer, double oven and washing machine, really nicely fitted, and having a door leading through to the garden. And then coming back through to this lovely living space, really good area, and having two large windows providing plenty of natural light. From here we can go into the modern bathroom, fitted with a lovely suite, including a large walk-in shower, bath, WC, and there's also dual sinks with built-in storage cupboards below. Okay, moving on to the top floor, got the landing here, which provides access to 3 bedrooms. There's also a very good size boiler cupboard, which has loft access in there as well. And we have the main bedroom facing towards the rear, and also benefiting from having a modern ensuite shower room. And then come along where we have bedroom 3 with an aspect towards the front of the property, and then bedroom 2. Again, facing towards the front of the house. Okay, and then moving outside into the garden where we have the patio area with a step up to the main lawned garden. Okay, and that concludes the online viewing for this property. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.